Hello, James here again. Hey, what are the joys of home ownership? Home maintenance. Home maintenance comes into play once we've been in our house a year or two. We start seeing little things that start happening that need to be fixed. And hey, guess what? If you don't see it, your spouse does. So you get this little honey-do list. What are you going to do with it? If you're me, Tim the Toolman Taylor sometimes, my wife doesn't want me dealing with any of that. So I look to hire a professional. So when I need that, I want you to do the same thing. When you need it, give us a call because we have a great vendors list of all the people that we deal with for siding, carpeting, painting, deck washing, whatever it might be, electrical. There's so many things that can happen in home ownership. And again, the joys of home ownership. However, those little things can be taken care of. You just have to have the right resources. And we here at the Hern Group have those folks for you. So contact us at the information below. We'll be happy to send that over to you. Or if you just want to give us a call, we'll be happy to share that information with you. But again, there's always something that seems like needs to be taken care of. And the best way to do it is have someone that is professional in that industry take care of it. So contact your real estate professionals to help you with all those people that we work with on a daily basis throughout the year. We're happy to help. So look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.